It was a week full of breaking news and headline-grabbing developments for crypto markets. Well, some might say that's business as usual for digital assets. But the good news is, investors don't seem too worried. We are capping the first quarter of the year with numerous crypto companies facing warnings or lawsuits in the United States. And Binance has become the latest crypto exchange to be hit by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, for allegedly breaching the Commodity Exchange Act and other related regulations. The Financial Times also reported that the company had been hiding alleged ties to China for several years. The crypto markets really haven't reacted strongly to the lawsuit, though. Bitcoin held its head high over the past week as it stood comfortably above the $28,000 mark. It saw a slight dip as of 9:30 a.m. Hong Kong time, dropping a quarter of a percentage point in the last 7 days. Ethereum, on the other hand, still hanging in there despite a small dip on Monday. Jonas Betz, a crypto analyst based in Germany, told Forkast that the recent lawsuit by the CFTC may only have a limited impact on the Binance empire. He added, in the long run, the lawsuit against Binance by the CFTC does not pose much of a threat to crypto. Binance Coin, however, took a dip as soon as the news broke. And while it's been slowly recovering, it's still down 3.5% in the last 7 days. Binance isn't the first company to have been hit by enforcement actions, though. Ripple found itself tangled up in a lawsuit against the SEC a few years ago. That's still a developing story, but investors are expecting an outcome to that soon, and optimism is rife among Ripple observers about how the case could end. Ripple's chief legal officer Stuart Aldroity has also said in the past that the company continues to grow more confident with each ruling in its legal battle against the SEC. XRP prices have been holding up over the last 24 hours and have added on almost 22% for the week. And ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood weighed in on the SEC's dealings with crypto regulations in a Twitter Spaces interview a few days ago. Here's what she had to say.
I think the SEC will lose the Grayscale case. They just lost the Binance Voyager case. Binance is being allowed to buy out Voyager assets. And there is another case, yes, the Ripple case. It seems like they might be on the way to losing that as well.
Crypto lawyer John Deaton doesn't see much downside if the SEC wins the case. But if Ripple wins, it would prove that XRP is not a security. While all eyes are firmly on US regulators as this case continues to develop, it is possible that crypto industry could begin to favor other jurisdictions where the rules are clearer.
The US is at risk of getting left behind. So all around the world, there's many jurisdictions, including Singapore, including Hong Kong, UK, Dubai, and others, who have taken proactive steps to bring crypto within the regulatory parameter and set clear rules. We like rules because we want to follow them, and we like clarity because that gives us a target to shoot for.
We see European countries also showing leadership there. There's a framework called MiCA, where 27 European countries have come together to create a common framework of how they're going to regulate crypto. You juxtapose this with what's happening in the United States, where the government kind of can't get their act together in terms of deciding how they're going to regulate the industry.
The outcome of this case could have an astronomical impact on how crypto space will be regulated in the near future. And we'll be keeping an eye on any developments on the Ripple case, so be sure to stay tuned. Elsewhere in the multi-chain economy, the Forkast 500 NFT index slightly edged above 4,026 mark Friday morning in Hong Kong, but it has been a rough week overall as it lost almost 3%. Alright, that's it from us. Like and subscribe to this video for more content like this. Let us know your thoughts on what's happening in the comments.